is Squishy Trading Survey. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Quick. Yes, I can finally trade my Squishy. Oh. Hey there, can I trade for that Squishy? This is the ultra rare coconut oil Squishy. It's sold out everywhere, and there's nowhere to be found. Oh my gosh! Yes. I've never saw it before. Yes, I accept. Yes, I accept too. Yes. Wait. Hey, this is normal Squishy. It's just plastic wrap filled with cotton. Oh. Oh my gosh! Look at that rich girl over there. Hey, miss, can you trade for that butter and cake Squishy? Oh yeah, sure. I'll trade my butter Squishy only. Sure? Hey, I'm gonna scam her with this thing. Okay, I'm gonna give you this coconut oil Squishy. So, it's sold out everywhere, like really. So you wanna give that butter Squishy? Oh my gosh, yeah. Here, you can have it. I accept. Oh my god, yes. Hey, I got scammed. No. Oh. Now I'm gonna go trade for this. Oh my gosh. Sir, you gonna trade for that? All of those? Yeah, sure. I'll trade for these. Add. Oh my gosh. Here. I accept. Please, I want that butter. Yes. Accept. Here, you can have my butter. Yes. All these cheese. Oh my gosh, it's the guy that scammed me. He has a lot of Squishies now. I'm gonna go buy some Squishies at the store and some fake ones to scam him. She was at the store for a while and she brought fake things. A fake watermelon Squishy. It isn't even squishy at all. You know, I'm gonna pretend these are fake cat needles. Oh my gosh, hey, can I take for all of those? Yeah, sure. I'm gonna trade this. This is all ultra rare, and I'm gonna add this cat needle. Yeah, both of them are $1,000. And this watermelon Squishy, it's really worth it to trade. So I want all of that, okay? You got me? Oh my, okay, I'm here. I'm gonna give you this and this butter. Okay, add. I want all of those. Oh my gosh, sure. Can I have all of those? Okay, I'm gonna trade all of that. Want it? Yes. I accept. Give me. Yes, I accept. Yes. Squeeze are mine. Yes. Hey, wait, what? You were the person I traded earlier for that Care Bear Squishy. I got scammed. There's so many Squishies I got from that guy. So cute. Oh my god! Oh my gosh. I'm gonna trade this ultra rare Squishy. It's my Melody Squishy, sold out everywhere. It's really rare for 1 million. Yes. Oh my gosh, yes, I'm gonna trade this. Add. Oh my gosh, you're obviously trying to scare me. This isn't even a squishy. I decline. Go away. Lovely fidgets. Oh my gosh, she has the ultra rare fidget right there. The ghost one. Oh my gosh, I want it. Hey miss, can I trade for that? Oh yeah, yes can. Yeah, I'm gonna add both. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna add this Fruit Loops. Want it? I accept. Oh yeah, I accept too. Yes! Yes! I got all the squishies I really want. What in the hell squishy is that? But I can, it has my sub, wait, no. My cousin's name's on it. No, I'm not gonna go watch another person. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Why is that girl crying? I'm gonna give her some of my squishies for free. Here, you can have this. And what do you want now? I'll give you this cake. You want it? Or this? Here, you can trade. I accept. I don't care if you don't have anything. Just accept. Thank you. Yes, I accept. The end. Don't mind short scenes where my mom is screaming. So these are all the squishies I made. Wait. These are almost all the squishies in the video. Oh my god, don't mind that. It's kind of shameful. So I'll show you each one. Cheese squishy. My cousins, Kase, she always calls me a girl, which is Kambing, and Kayla, the one who always calls me beautiful, and me, I'm beautiful. It's bad, really bad. No, this nerd squishy. I used to be slow rising until Kase, my cousin, play with it. Yeah, I'm so. This is not one of my favorites. The cheese is my favorite, you know. The butter, yeah. Not the butter, my favorite one. Wait, I'll have to do nice for this. Yes. Love it. Oh. This random watermelon squishy. I kind of hate it. Yeah. Oh. Next, this lime sticky squishy. You can see it's really sticky. I'm gonna stick. Wait. Yeah, I'm gonna stick this to it. Wait. Oh no, it's not. It's really sticky. Yeah. It used to be so sticky. Well, no, I was supposed to show the lime. Yeah, I don't mind that scene. So here's a picture of lime. I hate it a bit. Oh my gosh. No, this cinnamon squishy. I was so lazy to make it. I hate it. So we're not gonna do the fidgets. Now Fruit Loops. I mostly love but hate this at the same time. Oh, it fell. Yeah, this random thing. Squishy. I hate it too. Okay, hope it's okay. Pop it. I got it for like $5, I think. I don't know. I love it. Oh, damn. Now this cake squishy. I love it. Oh, it didn't show us. So. Anyway, Care Bear squishy. I love it. Yeah. I want to kill it. Okay. Nah, I'm not gonna try it far. Jack squishy. It's boring. Pillow thingy squishy. A glue roommate squishy. It's that coconut oil. I love it. I really love it. But it's kind of like, yeah. This cake squishy. Cake at stake! Now this watermelon. That's all.